What's up, creators? Welcome back to HitPaw channel. There are all kinds of sounds in life that give us different experiences. The sound of waves, the sound of water flowing in a stream, and the sound of the wind are pleasing to the ear. But there are also a lot of noises, especially when recording. The sound of fans, keyboards, and vehicle sirens are really annoying. So today I want to introduce you guys a new online AI tools that you can enhance audio in one click. The sound is really noisy in the background, with wind, music, and other noises. Without further ado, and let's start with hit the link below. Recently, HitPaw Online has released a new product called AI Audio Enhancer, a powerful audio enhancer to reduce background noise, hiss, or other unwanted sounds in audio recordings, making the audio clearer and more pleasant to listen to. First, click this purple button to enhance now. Then we can drag or click to upload M3, M4, MOV, MKV, or other audio and video file. Let's drag to upload the noisy sound we just heard. Wait seconds and click subscribe button to get more AI tools. Now turn on auto volume to intelligently adjust and balance the sound. Turn on reduce background noise and drag to adjust intensity of the background noise removal to make it sound more realistic. Then click preview button on the left bottom corner. The process may take a few seconds. Let's hear how it goes.
So today we're doing an interview with MC Beale. Lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So basically we've got a couple of questions for you, if that's okay.
Yeah, that's perfect.
When and why did you start playing?
Well, I used to start playing my guitar. Dad got me a guitar from flea market when I was about 5 years old. Used to play it in my house. I just loved music ever since.
Okay, cool. So is your family musician?
My mum and dad aren't. My sister's got into drums recently. But yeah, that's about it.
Who inspired you to create music and why?
Originally, it was my dad started inspiring me because he just told me to do what I love, and since he bought me the guitar, it showed that love can make music.
Great. So how often and how long do you practice?
I practice about 3 hours. 3 hours for about 2 days, so about an hour and a half a day, just to boost the music up, I guess.
What's the best advice you could give to new singers or songwriters?
It does have a noise reduction and a much cleaner sound. Reduce reverb is coming soon, and this online audio noise reduction tool will become even more useful. What's the hold up? Just click the link below and give it a try. Before you go, don't forget to click subscribe and stay tuning. Catch you in the next one.